In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your bank account to Shopify. This is an essential step for anyone running an online store, ensuring that you can seamlessly process payments from your customers and transfer them directly to your financial institution. So, let's dive right in and make sure your Shopify store is ready to handle your sales efficiently. First things first, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. Head over to the Shopify homepage and enter your credentials to access your store's dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left side menu and find Settings. Click on it, and this will take you to a page where you can make various adjustments and configurations for your store. Now, in the Settings menu, you need to locate and click on Payments. This section is where you can manage everything related to payment providers, payment methods, and of course, connecting your bank account. Scroll down until you see the section for payment providers. Here you can select from different available providers, but for the purpose of this guide, we'll use Shopify Payments because it's integrated within the platform and simplifies the process significantly. By selecting Shopify Payments, you'll often be prompted to set it up if you haven't done so already. It's an integrated solution designed to work smoothly with Shopify, making the whole process much easier. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will involve entering your business details, such as your business type, EIN, and other essential information. Don't worry, the process is straightforward, and Shopify guides you step by step to ensure every detail is captured accurately. Next, you're going to need to enter your banking details. This is a crucial part, as it ensures that all funds from your sales are deposited directly into the correct bank account. Still in the Shopify Payments setup, look for the section labeled Bank Account. Here, you'll enter your banking information. Start with your bank's name and then proceed to enter the account number and routing number. Double-check these numbers to ensure accuracy. A slight mistake could lead to delays in receiving your funds. Once you've entered all the details, take a moment to review. Make sure that all the information you've provided is correct and up to date. Incorrect information could result in a number of issues down the line. After verifying all your information, go ahead and click Save. Congratulations! Your bank account is now connected to Shopify Payments. Be sure to keep an eye on your transactions to ensure everything is working smoothly and that funds are being deposited as expected. And there you have it, a simple, efficient guide on connecting your bank account to Shopify. This not only ensures your store operates seamlessly but also gives you peace of mind knowing that your hard-earned money is reaching your bank account without any hitches. If you followed along, your Shopify store is now fully equipped to handle payments. Happy selling, and thanks for watching.